Good evening. I'm Sales VP of Dediprog Technology, and it's my honor today to attend the Euro Asia this year. And this is our first year here to demonstrate our machine in Europe. And this year it's our honor as well to work very closely with Sinerji to promote our solutions in Asia, in Europe, in Euro Asia. All right. And what we have promote today is the programming automation machines, a solution that is meant to help to increase the efficiency of our customer, to increase the production efficiency. So what the machines will do basically is to program the solutions, program the IC, integrated device. Basically all the integrated device over here, the latest like MCU, flash, storage, all require programming. And usually what the customer would do is to use manual from picking up the device into the manual programmer, program, and then get back to the tray or maybe tube or maybe the steering wheel. But today I would like to introduce what we have today is the machines that can do all this job. This machine is a very compact size machine, and what it can do is it can actually take up the IC or maybe device from the tray or maybe from the steering wheel or maybe even from the tube as well. You can take the device from all these packages and use the pick and place solutions, pick up the solutions and go program. And the last stage is actually output. Output, you can be a steering wheel, you can be tray as well as the tube. Tube is not demonstrated today, but basically there is a function and there is a features that is available in these machines. So what we can do is we can demonstrate the tray-to-tray kind of programming functions. So what we are going to demonstrate today is the auto tray machines to do programming. And these auto tray machines can take up 25 tray, JTAG tray together. And you can put a JTAG tray all the way inside here. And the tray will pull up, the machines will take up the device and go programming. The programming process will be going inside the socket and put it back to the tray again. So what is demonstrated over here is the actual tray-to-tray process. Tray, program, and then tray. And in fact, we have other features as well. The next one we would like to show you is the tray to the steering wheel process. Yeah, change. Okay, the machine has started the entire process. Another new process that is from the tray process as an input and go programming. It pick up the IC to go programming, and then it will go to the real output. So what it means is this machine is actually multifunctional. It can actually process the solution from tray, tube, or maybe steering wheel. And the same thing, you can process the device to the output that could be in tray form, could be in steering wheel form, or even that could be in tube form. So on top of that, in between the processing, the programming process, it will actually help you to do inspection as well. So in case anything that is wrong, orientations or maybe wrong IC that pick up from the tray or maybe from whatever input, it will actually go to the reject tray. It will scan through by using the CCD camera in between. The red color or the red color will do the scanning. The scanning is actually meant for the alignment or maybe to scan something that is abnormal. On top of that, when the device actually go to output, there will be a camera over here that will do the orientations, marking, or maybe ink dot kind of inspections. So this will help the entire process to be more complete in the sense that all the reject will be filtered and will not go into the next stage, that is the SMT process. What is shown over here is the user interface of the automated programming machines. This page over here is the programmer, the status of the programmer. What's shown here is actually idle because this is running in the demonstration mode. So this is actually shown idle. But in the actual case, you can see each of these arrows will show you whether there's a pass or fail or maybe in busy mode. So each of these box over here represent one of the adapter, socket adapter. And this is the machine interface. So what is shown here is there are tray form and there is the socket status. So it will tell you all the status of the programming. For example, there's pass, how many fail, and how many rejected will be actually shown over here. This page over here actually shows that you have all the interface. You have the input that can be put in the manual tray form. You can have the manual tray, auto tray, tape in, tube in, or maybe auto tube loader. So those are the input that the machines can process as an input. And then in between, you can actually set the device to be rotated to do the inspections, and finally is the output. The output you can actually do it in the tape form, in the tube out form, and also that could be in the tray form as well. So this is a very compact machine that can do all the features that is available that I explained just now.